Oof. It is snowing like the dickens out there. I know I should really say that, but okay. What the? This is a fossil lab. The fossil lab my dad was talking about. Whee! It's the code. Oh, what was that? 5804. Oh wow, that's a long time. Wait, what? Is that the code? What is this? Whoa! Very creepy place, okay. Scary enough, I guess. Doesn't look scary, actually. Why did you say it was scary? Yeah, is this where my dad came from? Was he born at one too? Or was that just a joke? Three other birds are coming. Creepy as fuck. What the? Are these humans? Wow. Humans are crazy. My goodness, humans are weird. Hello? You talk? Who is that? It's just a tiny little egg. That's, interesting. Oh, it's hatching. Touching. Aww. That's cute. How do I open it? Okay, so how would I open this? Oh, jeez. Hey, look, can you... Oh, yeah, okay, I'm gonna have to carry you. Okay, so, Cocoa, you're saying you found this, what is this? I think I saw, like, what the dude said, Falta something? Falca Takely? Or whatever it was? Oh. Weird. Yeah, it's, I think it's a female. Or male. It could be a male. I actually got to remember seeing Giant as a little elephant bird. He wasn't really a giant. He wasn't really a big giant. He was more like a little giant. Yeah, that too. Who is this guy? I don't know. He kind of looks like a macaw, so I'm just gonna call him Macaw. Macaw? That's it, just Macaw. Hey, it's our imagination, so chill. Sorry. God damn it! Yeah, I told you I told you there might be a chance that they're probably just not gonna agree with continuing up with this. Mazur, if you keep on being mad, this ain't gonna help. It's not gonna help with the temper. Oh, stop it! And stop speaking French. Can you at least stop doing that? French. I don't know, the freaking bird. freaking VTNist wants to freaking speak French or whatever. Okay, do you need to calm down? Because I think you need to calm down, like, really badly. It doesn't matter. Whatever. We're just going to keep on trying to get these guys back. No matter what. We just have to find out about the dense bones, and then we get whatever that has the dense bones. Dark Watcher. Make sure no one escapes, and I'm not coming back here. Dude, I mean, I wouldn't say I'm retired, but, like, I don't work shit. But don't worry, Mazur. I'm pretty sure he will return. Oh, please stop talking in a French accent and stop calling Mazur. It's so... now I just talked in French. God damn it! Listen, now you're knowing how to pronounce it. It's not very easy, I will say. French is not an easy language. No shit, Sherlock, it isn't. Now calm down the attitude. Please stop talking about that. Now, how about we just have a little time to ourselves? Like, eat some bread or something. Bread is not even good for birds. How do you know that? I think you meant, how do you know that? Whatever, it doesn't matter. Let's just have some time to ourselves. Well, the dark idiot is gone. It's dark bone. No. Whatever. It doesn't matter to me. Oh my goodness. So, shall we chill? You know? Yeah, no, please don't. Oh. Well, come on. You gotta chill sometime. Please stop dancing to freaking French music, I hate it. It's my day. It's my favorite thing to do. So, calm down the attitude. And chill, will ya? That's what you need, Missouri. Or I can give you food yourself. What do you usually eat? I mostly just ate, like, meat. Internet, I could find some meat. Where could I start? In the village? Yeah, I would probably start in the village. Not, like, here, because there's no meat here. All there is just bones that are digged up. And don't eat them. I never eat the bones. Bones taste disgusting anyway. Bonjour. You just, I think you meant Missouri. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Oh well. Enjoy listening to this French music and saying Missouri. I'm gonna go get some food right now. Can't believe I'm listening to a French bird. Looks like that will get his ass to calm down. Oh well, time to do this. Let's find the food. Or just something else than just meat that I can find in the village. You can probably find a rabbit or something. It doesn't even matter.